Do you see what I'm saying about the bottom of the coffin coming off?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to hammer that back because you don't want this to get fully separated, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at what you're doing. So I managed to get the top one off. But I think we managed to cut it off.
Let's do a strap.
Okay. Yes. You're so ratchet, Liam.
That one I can judge you for.
So, today we are gonna prime this baby. This beautiful coffin we got from an antique shop. Paint, 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 paint. Paint the coffin. Paint the coffin. What do you call this piece? Jackson Pollock's grave?